The Pakistani Business Professional Council (PBPC) Abu Dhabi marked a significant milestone in its history by celebrating its 20th anniversary with a grand gala dinner held at the Hotel Abu Dhabi. The event, attended by 250 esteemed guest business leaders and community members, was a testament to the Council's commitment to fostering business relationships and supporting the Pakistani community in the UAE. Council brings us together to make an impact on society, to cooperate in business ventures and activities, and to connect with your home country. The evening commenced with a warm message from Dr. Kasaranis, Vice Chairman of PBPC and founding president, who reflected on the Council journey since its inception in 2004. The Council has a great platform for networking for business community to enhance their business professionals, to enhance their resources. The event was a celebration not just of 2 decades of PBPC but also the strength and resilience of the community. The Council created a platform that empowers Pakistani professionals and business to thrive in the vibrant economy of Abu Dhabi. The event also highlighted the Council's commitment to addressing contemporary challenges and fostering innovation within the business community. The 20th anniversary gala dinner not only celebrated past achievements but also set the stage for future endeavors with PBBC. The PBBC Abu Dhabi extends its gratitude to all their sponsors for their generous support in making the 20th anniversary gala dinner a resounding success. The President, Mr. Mohammad Iqbal Naseem, thanked the people for over the past 2 decades and have an unwavering support to the community. Rabia Ashraf, Amarat News, Dubai.